Hello everybody, this is Flora and this is my system and compiler design lab experiment number 5. So today's experiment is to do simulation of DFA. So what is DFA? DFA is a state machine which either accepts or rejects a finite strings of symbols. Suppose for a given expressions, the string that we give as an input does not match the regular expression. The output would be that the string is rejected. If it is accepted by the regular expression, the output would be string is accepted. I have constructed the same using Java. So what I have done is I have taken all the alphabets, that is the grammar for the DFA, and following with the grammar for the DFA, I have taken the number of states that the DFA will have. Once that is done, I've taken all the grammar. That's if suppose for example I have A and B. I've taken the input as A and B. Then I have entered transition table from the user, then the final state and the input state. So for my given expression, I'll be constructing a regular expression where it will be reading the number of B's as a multiple of 3. So if we have 3 B's, that's when it will go to final state. Any number of A's but 3 B's. And it's so in the given expression, if you see from state 1 to state 2, if I have to go from state 1 to state 2, I need a cap B. Similarly, from 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. So, executing this expression, I have, for example, they are asking the number of alphabets in the alphabet state. So, for my given expression, I just have two alphabets, A and B. So, I'll have A 2 and number of states, I have 4 states, state 1, state 2, state 3 and state 4. So, 4 states and entering all the alphabets of the DFA. So, that is A and B. The row transition table. So in this case, I have when it is in 1 and we get a B, it goes to 2. But if we have A, it goes back to 1. So for A, we have 1. For B, we have 2. For second state, that is state 2, for A, we have 2. And for B, we have 3. So for A, 2, B, 3. For state 3, A, 3, B, 4. For state 4, A, 4 and B, 1. So this is my transition table. Now I have to feed the final state. So in my case scenario, the final state is state 4 and is entering the starting state. In my case, the starting state is 1. Then I have to enter my input. So the basic string, the minimum string that will be accepted by this DFA is BBB. So if I input BBB followed by a hash, that is the end of my input, my string is accepted by the DFA. In the similar case, if I try to run it for another code, that is if I execute the same expression for a wrong string, so I have row entries and I have my starting state. If suppose I have AA, so my string will be rejected because it will not be accepted by the DFA. So basically once what happens is when I have a A, it will be in state 1. When there is another A, it will be in state 1. So there is no transition happening wherein it will reach state 4, which is the final state. So this is all for experiment number 4, constructing DFA. Thank you.